Be the bookworm, read a lot in English. Be the bookworm, read a lot in English. I know, who wants to be a worm? But hey, this is what you gotta do to be good in English. Hello, my name's Damien, and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you read smarter. Why trust me? Well, I'm not your regular English YouTube teacher. If you want to learn English, you're in the right place. I'm going to take you through another 5 activities that'll help you get more out of your reading. Oh, if you haven't already, make sure you watch episode 1. Each episode will be broken into prepare, read, and review. All the links will be in the description. Let's read it. Newsela is one of my favourite news websites. It allows you to adjust the level of the grammar and vocabulary in all of its published articles. Let me show you a great way to boost your English using Newsela. Prepare. Log into Newsela and choose an article that you like. Read. Read the same article at 3 different levels. After that, choose a short paragraph or a few sentences. Cut and paste into a table with different versions of the same article. Look at how the grammatical structures and vocabulary change. Notice any interesting patterns and then upgrade your English. Review. The next day, try to write a summary of the article from memory and include some of the more complex structures and vocabulary. Most students don't read the same article enough. It's better to read one article 10 times and really squeeze the lemon rather than reading 10 different articles. This is how you do it. Prepare. Find a 500 to 1,000 word graded article and print it out. Read. Monday, read it and underline the words you don't know. Tuesday, read it again and look up the words in a dictionary and note down in your vocabulary system. Wednesday, read again and try to remember the underlined words as you read. If you can't, look them up in your notes. Thursday, repeat. Friday, can you now do it without looking at your notes? Review. Write a summary no longer than 5 sentences from memory. This tool was created to help teachers find important words in a text and then sort them in different ways. There are some cool features that help you visualize the key vocabulary in the text. You like what I did there? Prepare. Read the title of an article and predict what the story will be about and think of 3 keywords that will appear in the text. Cut and paste the text into Word Profiler and check if your words appear. If you don't know a keyword, check it in a dictionary. Read. Read it. Review. Read again and add new high-frequency words into your vocabulary system. Read the same article in a few weeks' time and see if you remember the new words. If you want to read ungraded material, that is, reading material that hasn't been adapted for a second language learner, then the reading flood is for you. Prepare. Choose a topic or subject area you are interested in and follow that story or topic for a month. This will lighten the new vocabulary load and make guessing words easier. Read. Read. Reading the articles in your first language might help as well. Review. Keep a subject log of the ideas from the topic and input repeated vocabulary into your vocabulary system. A corpus contains millions of samples of language in a database. It can help you use vocabulary and grammar more accurately. Prepare. Choose a word that you are interested in and input it into just the word. Read. Choose some collocations based on frequency. Click on the collocation and read the sample sentences. Note down the common meaning senses, how it is used grammatically, and collocations. Review. In a day's time, try to remember the information you found. As I said last time, stop being the bookworm. I'm renaming it Book Lion. It's so much more powerful. Also, remember to sledgehammer that subscribe button, as I would be honoured to continue on this language learning journey with you. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Start now and write a comment below about your favourite reading activity in English. Oh, and if you're interested in a full vocabulary system, why not check out my book, English Words Unmasked. You'll love it. And start taking your English mask off today. See you later.